Be surprised at just how much music and sound effects add to a movie. Sound effects are the sounds you hear in a film other than the dialogue and the music. They can make a movie more realistic or more exciting. Special sound effects can be used to generate suspense and the feeling of approaching danger. Would you feel safe and happy walking through these woods? In addition to sound effects, filmmakers use music to create a certain mood. How does this music make you feel about the setting you're seeing? Now, notice how changing the music alters your feelings about the farmhouse. Would you be brave enough to set foot inside? Now you're more aware of how sounds and music can affect your movie watching. As you watch any scene, keep your ears open. Ask yourself, what sound effects do I hear? Why might the filmmakers have included them? What mood does the music help to create? How might the filmmakers want me to feel?